They're like, who's gonna do it?
They're like, we're a bit confused by
That
that.
one's mad.
They're both
Look
good,
at, he's
though.
upset.
You only get a little bit.
How did you make them all like take flight though?
They're like, mine, mine, mine.
Oh, it's getting close. Oh, there you go. Oh my gracious. Oh migration.
Right? Oh my, oh the migration. Little. You see the birdies? You see the birdies, honey? The birdies? They're, oh! I know,
You see 'em?
sweetheart. Too bad you can't see them right here.
That one went over. Oh, he's gonna get it. He's speckle
Bro,
face
it's
guy.
He's like, "Give it
Oh my goodness.
oh, there's one! Oh, oh,
Where they
no.
go?
Oh, they're getting close.
Hold on. Don't.
We're gonna be driving around with freaking
Oh my
big
goodness,
dogs
he's
on.
up here. Look at he's checking. He's like, oh, they have
Come
a.
on, eat it.
Don't be such a little bee, just do it! Oh, you went that way over there. Should I be a monster and feed him a piece of chicken? No, sorry, what I was trying to say
There would be the monsters if they ate it.
was they said we're not supposed to feed them on the coast or whatever because they
Yeah.
just, you know, but so we had pieces of pizza and Chuck threw out a pizza bone that was a little too long
Uh-oh.
and he's like he's like almost dying in front of us and I'm like, man, what do we do? We're gonna kill him.
What? He's the boss.
Yeah, clearly that's the one being very cranky. You're feeding him. He's like, get back up.
I guess you get it.
Oh man, you guys.
How long are you gonna drive around with fries on the top now?
I hate to ruin the moment, but I'm getting my second warning.
It's coming in.
Can't get them off.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Isn't the restroom right inside this entrance on the wall there?
Here you go.
Dust off your hands.
Excuse me. Like, wee, birdie! Yeah, we're gonna have fries up there.
Oh,
and we're gonna
dude, they're like still following you right now. Look at this creepy business right here. Oh my gosh.
Timmy, do you see the bird?
She's like, what is going on? The fries are
still eating back here, just so you know. But I really can't like wait
Move.
any longer. I have to go now. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to escape the Jeep.
Good luck. You gotta get out
You
now.
have a mask?
He's got you really
No, I
close.
don't have a mask, but I'm just going to the bathroom.
Dude, these people, look at them. They're
like,
like, look at them. They're like, what about the bird?
Oh my god, I'm so back. I think. Where's my phone?
Why's there French fries on their juice?
I'm probably gonna get swarmed. Look at you! How do I get
Unlock
out
it.
of here?
There you go.
Jeez.
Good luck.
Just
Hurry.
trying to get out of the door.